This video we're going to be going through the reports of Factory Manager, and you'll notice that you can customize all your reports in Factory Manager 2.0.75, and basically in all the versions of Factory Manager of number 2 you can edit your reports, add reports, create reports, and you can even take certain objects out of certain reports that you like. So let's go into the report screen by pressing on the print button, and you'll notice here we've got different reports that have come up. And the first one we're going to look at is we're wanting to change some of the layout, the general layout of a certain report. So let's go into the unit item list with cost, double click on that, and you'll notice you have a template, the preview of the template. And if you wanted to edit that layout, you can just go to Page Layout Editor, and it opens up into the screen where you can manipulate this box. So let's just move down this box here, and let's say this factory order number, I want it a bit higher. So it's, there we go, you can move it around. Let's move up this, move it up more. And so this is very customizable. You can delete any of these headers, you can add in certain lines. Let's put in a circle if you wanted to put an object. There we go, we've put an object. You can make it bigger if you'd like. So if you're wanting to put in a logo into that, you can. Let's put it over here. Let's make it a bit smaller. And there we go. Now if you wanted to add a picture, you just click on Picture, double click on that, and drag and drop it into the report. And let's choose if you had a JPEG logo, you can choose that. I'm going to press Open, just press OK for this when the warning comes up, and there is the picture that will pop up. So if you make it smaller, you can fit it inside this little circular block. So if that was what you wanted for your logo, you can do that on your reports, and you can just set this as your default one and continue onwards. So let's go down to the bottom where it's got the pricing structure and the comments. So if you didn't want the pricing there, or if you didn't want any of this stuff, you can just click on it and press delete. So we can do that. So if I wanted to edit or change any of this, you can do so. And you can double click on anything and type in what you want. So if you didn't want 30-day period, you can type in 20 days, and that would sort that out for you. I'm going to keep it on 30 for now, and you would press done over there. So let's go back and have a look at more things that you can change on it. So for instance, on this unit item list with cost, if you click on report section and you click on edit, it comes up with the report data settings, and under here you can change any of the details under data details. So if you notice here, it's got at the part name, material, dimensions, quantity, the cut, the edge, the bore. So if you didn't want any of the cut, edge or bore, you can just delete those. Let's delete the cut, let's delete the edge, and let's delete the bore. And if you didn't want the cost of this, all you just wanted is the dimensions of it and the quantity of it, you just delete the line cost, and there it is there. Now you do need to change the width of it, because now that we've deleted a whole lot of things, you can make it bigger so that it will fit nicer onto your screen. So let's double click on dimensions, or click on that and press edit, and it pops up, and here we can say the width of it, we can make it 2000, and you can continue. You can make the font size, you can change the font, you can change the fields of it to whatever you like. So I'm just going to keep that on there and press done. We can press on save, and then we can go and have a look at this. I'm going to press close on there. So now I'm going to tick on the unit item list just to see what we have done now. So if I click on preview, we'll notice that it will enter into that report and show us the unit item list for this and all the changes we've made to this report. And there we go. You can see our little picture that's on the top right. We can go down, and you can see here where it's got the part name, material and dimensions and the quantity, but none of the costs and the bore and the cutting. So if this is all that you wanted, then it's great. You can have that. If you're wanting to extend any of these and make these, for instance, all of these 2 meters or 2000, we can do that. But for now, I'm just showing you that you can edit it, and we've done that in this one. And at the bottom, there's our costs and so forth. And that's how easy it is, and that's how to edit your reports in Factory Manager. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial.